here for you, cow. This is just in your head, cow. Ah. The hell? Huh? Wake up. Wait a minute. Oh. Well, there I go. What is this place? Wait. My hand. My arm. Where am I? What does this thing do? Whoa. Wait a minute. No. No.
Is that a different animal? Come here. I found another animal.
Ow!
Yo, that's so cool.
What the? Who are ya?
Oh, I'm Aiden.
Aiden.
I'm
His
Blade.
name is
Blake?
yeah. His name is Blaze.
Blade.
Wait. What is that on your what is that on your iPad? No, give me, pass it. I need to check something. Oh my god, we should visit that. It's at the lake. No,
Okay.
it's a location. Let's go.
Let's go.
So, guys, how many people are in this population now? I've been knocked out for years.
Oh, I have no idea.
It's just, well, I'm pretty sure it's just us.
Yeah,
Oh.
probably.
Well, I
There
found.
has been a nuke.
Wow, this place looks so different since the last time
Yeah,
I was here.
it's pretty ruined.
No.
Yeah. These dragons came through and burned everyone.
Yeah.
Even crashed the Mary ship.
That ship? Hold on, I need to put your iPad in my backpack.
Split it in half. It clawed it and split
What
it.
is that?
I don't know. Let's go and investigate it.
Okay.
I'm getting out my blade. Get it? Blade.
Ah!
Oh no! Aiden, are you okay?
Yeah. I'm a dog, anyways, so I can swim.
I don't think dogs can swim.
I can. Look,
Guys.
we're both German shepherds, and we can swim.
Oh, alright.
What,
We need to get on here.
What?
Oh, button.
What is this
Button.
big red
Button.
button?
Guys, I don't know. What the hell? What is happening? I can see the light! Ah! What the heck is this
Wait,
all
why
about?
we in space?
I think we...
What?
Ow.
Ah, oh my god. What the
Let me
heck
go.
happened? What happened? Oh no! Come back up here.
I'm trying to. I can't.
Try to swim up like if you were in water.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Try harder.
Wait, I'm doing it.
Yes, you got this, Aiden. You're almost there. I'll give you a treat later.
Oh, treat!
Yeah, there's treats up here.
You're going down.
There's treats up in here. There's treats up here.
Treat?
Yes, there's treats up here.
I've been eating this broccoli for years.
Yep, there's treats. There's yummy dog food.
I'm
go
here.
up.
Oh no!
Come on, there's treats up here. There's treats up there. I checked. There's treats up there.
Yes, treats.
All right, your treats are going to be served later. So I need a flashlight because